looking at number 11. How many points do you need to make a line?
3.
Nope.
2 points.
At least 2. So I can literally make a table of 2. List 3 coordinates x and y that the following function passes through. Here's one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. And here's another one. I found 5. I only have to list 3. So determine where they run and jump. Okay?
I call it rise and run.
Yes, it will be rise and run for you next year.
Oh, that does not sound.
Okay, now look at number 10. The graph relates the distance, D, that Ryan travels from Houston to Austin over time, T. Write an equation to describe the motion of Ryan's car. Hint, find the rate of change and use dirt. D equals RT. Okay, I don't necessarily need to use dirt, but because I can always use y equals mx plus b, but there probably won't be a b. B may equal to 0 because it goes through the origin, which makes this proportional.
Wait, you're recording right now? Yeah.
Maybe. So where do I run and jump?
He goes 50 miles an hour.
He goes 50 miles an hour because if I run 1 hour, I jump up how many miles? 50. If I go 2 hours, how many miles?
100.
If I go 3 miles, how many miles? Or 3 hours? And 4?
200.
And 5.
250.
Okay. So, if I were to make a table, who goes in the table?
X
X
and
and
Y.
Y.
X and Y, but they want me to use D and T. So, T and D. Run 1, jump 50. Run 2, jump 100. Stay focused. Run 3,
150.
run 4,
200. And so on, so on, so on.
so distance equals, what's my rate?
50.
50.
50 times what?
50 times T.
Times T. Done. Whoops.
That's
D equals 50T.
That's all he has to do.
Yep.
So easy.
And then we get to number 9. Ha
I like that.
Me. Okay, stay focused. Did I already go over number 9? No, we'll do it again. Oh, no. Go to number 8. I'm sorry, 13. 12 and 13. I need y'all to see something like that.
I did remember to go over.
Bump it up, An electrician charges $50 per hour.
50x
Good.
plus
Plus $75 house call.
plus 75.
Great. Write an equation that represents the total cost and determine how much it would cost if the electrician worked for 3 hours.
50x plus 75 equals.
You've already done something like this. That is correct. How much is it if he works 1 hour?
75. 50, $50. 125.
Good. You need to combine the whole cost because they got to pay $75 for the electrician to come to your house. Okay? Then 2 hours, then 3 hours. Go for it when you complete this question. Number 13. Sharia orders t-shirts from a website that charges $8 per shirt. What's that mean? 8x. Guys, as soon as you see the per or for each, that's your x. And you're multiplying by this coefficient.
When it says
She chooses expedited shipping that costs an additional $15.
plus 15.
Plus 15.
8x plus
Complete the table to show how much she would pay for different numbers of shirts. What is my equation?
8x plus 15. Y equals 8x plus 15.
Great. What if she buys 5 shirts?
Well, for
8 times?
8 times plus 55. Yeah.
10 shirts.
95.
50 shirts. 75 shirts. 100 shirts. Okay?
This girl is going crazy with the ordering.
She is going crazy ordering shirts. Okay, 14, Zach. Zach is saving up money for a new video game. Do you have to use these numbers? No, but the relationship must be X times 8 plus 15. Zach is saving up money for a new video game. He plans to save a certain amount of money each week. What's my X? The weeks. But he is currently in debt. What does in debt mean?
He has to pay off money.
What kind of money does he have? He has negative money. From borrowing money from a friend at the movies. Write an equation to represent the information in the table. So, after 2 weeks, he's only going to have $3 saved. How do I get from 2 to 3 and from 3 to 8?
Plus 5. Plus 5 and plus 1. Plus 5. Plus 5 and plus 1. That doesn't sound real.
Okay. Now what do I need to do?
You need to do delta y for delta x.
Which is?
5 over 1.
Which is?
5.
Excuse me. Are you working or are you talking about something irrelevant? Okay, that was a rhetorical question. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10, but he only has $3. So how much money is he in debt?
$2.
No, listen. Listen, good. He has 2 times 5. So that's $10. But he's only saved 3. How much is he indebted by? By $7. So you need to know how to write that equation there.
How?
Y equals
Y equals